Welcome! This is a part of my 4-part series on adding pro sound in CapCut. I'm building the effect on Krotos Studio Max and then bringing the stems into CapCut so you can follow the exact steps. Today's focus, mystery textures and music. Now that my sound design is almost done, I'm gonna add a little bit more mystery. Krotos Studio Pro has also music, and you can choose the one that fits more your scene. So in our case, I'm gonna go with There May Be Blood because it's some kind of horror movie. So let's hear now our final results. Okay, sounds very good. I'm very satisfied with that. Whether you are working on short form content, games, or sound design projects, this workflow gives you control, speed, and results that stand out. Krotos Studio Pro lets you perform your sound ideas instantly, and CapCut makes the edit simple. It's the fastest way I've found to go from silent to story easy.